there was just one bracket, this green one right there. And I noticed that the pins these here were at a bad angle, and every time you lifted it up and down they would just flop. So I decided to put a double flange on there, a bracket on both sides, so that when you put the pin in, it stays straight. And I had to make it angled like that and very short. You can't make it very long because the way these brackets are made, there's the flat part. Oops. The flat part right here will hit if you make it too long. If you make the bracket, it'll hit right there. So there it goes. I'll do another one when I get finished.